Remove background is great, but for more complex objects, yeah. The good news is, it's about to get a heck of a lot better. Let's start in the current version of Photoshop. And as I go through some of these examples, you'll surely notice that it tends to miss a lot of the finer details like wiring and netting. And in some cases, it incorrectly masks away objects or the background doesn't get removed at all. The struggle has been real. Let's hop over to the Photoshop beta, which all of you can download from the Creative Cloud app. Now when I run Remove Background, the results are night and day compared to the current version. Holding Alt or Option and clicking on the layer mask will let me see all the extra details it included. Remember when the tennis racket was completely removed? Now not only does it correctly include it with the subject, but it also accurately cuts out the background in between the wiring. One more example. Currently, Photoshop isolates the net, but the background behind it remains. But now in the beta, so much better. If you're feeling adventurous, dive into the beta, test this out, and let me know what you think in the comments or on social. Thanks for watching everyone, and happy designing.